3. Components of fleet management. Fleet management consists of several interconnected components. Each plays a vital role in keeping operations running smoothly. A. Vehicle acquisition and lifecycle management. This involves selecting the right type and number of vehicles, leasing or purchasing decisions, and planning the vehicle lifecycle from procurement to disposal. Example, a logistics company may lease trucks for a 5-year period to avoid high upfront costs and ensure fleet modernization. B. Maintenance management. Scheduled and preventive maintenance ensures vehicle safety, reduces breakdowns, and extends vehicle life. Example, a fleet manager schedules oil changes, brake inspections, and tire rotations every 10,000 kilometers to minimize unplanned downtime. C. Fuel management. Tracking fuel usage, preventing fuel theft, and optimizing fuel efficiency are vital for controlling operational costs. Example, using GPS and fuel cards, a company detects irregular fuel usage and identifies more fuel-efficient driving routes. D. Driver management. Covers hiring, training, performance monitoring, and ensuring regulatory compliance, e.g. driver hours. Example, a logistics company uses a telematics system to monitor driver behavior, penalizing overspeeding or harsh braking. E. Route planning and optimization. This involves planning the most efficient delivery routes to reduce fuel consumption and time. Example, FedEx uses AI-powered software to optimize delivery routes daily, saving millions in fuel costs annually. F. Compliance and safety. Includes ensuring vehicles and drivers comply with local and international transport regulations. Example, fleet management software alerts managers about upcoming vehicle inspection dates and driver license renewals. G. Fleet analytics and reporting. Analyzing data to improve performance, forecast maintenance, and plan fleet expansion or reduction. Example, analytics reveal that older vehicles in a fleet are consuming 15% more fuel, prompting a renewal strategy.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.